Hey y'all, Speed Jones here. Thought I'd try a little something different with the camera and audio setup today. I'm going to get new brake pads on the bike, and I figured some of you might be interested in that, so I thought I'd throw the helmet cam on and throw a mic inside the helmet and do a little narration for this video. Now, I'm not trying to become a motovlogger or anything like that, but I figure mixing it up a little bit and sharing, a little bit more of me and my journey with my bike would be something that you guys might be interested in. So, we're just doing it something different, and we'll see what you guys think about this. And if it works out, who knows? Maybe I'll throw a little narration on some of my riding videos. Like I say, not trying to become a motovlogger. Not that there's anything wrong with those guys. Plenty of motovloggers out there that I like quite a bit, actually. But it's especially on the riding videos, there always comes a time when you get to that point where you're behind a car or you're at a stoplight or whatever, and things slow down, and I don't know, it might be kind of cool to share some thoughts on the ride or what's going on, or something like that. So anyway, just a little something new, trying something different out today, and we'll see how it goes. Okay cool. My least favorite part of riding is riding around in traffic. I'd much rather be up in the twisties ringing it out, but we got to do what we got to do, especially when it comes to maintenance on the bike. Oh, and brake pads, man. Let's talk brake pads, because I'm really pretty excited actually about the brake pads I'm getting here. My guy at the shop here recommended a set of DP Brakes Superbike Sintered brake pads, and he said that they should have much more bite than stock, and they're supposed to be much more heat resistant than stock. So I'm really looking forward to it. I really like the stock bikes on this brake. They haven't ever left me wanting much. Never been a fan of the ABS on the rear, but other than that, they're a pretty good set of brakes. So I'm looking forward to seeing if we can get a little bit of an incremental improvement today with a new set of pads. And here we go. Yeah, car's kind of hanging out here. I could be that guy and go whipping through there, but nah. I don't have the mic set up on the exhaust today, so whatever exhaust noise is coming through is just coming through from the helmet mic. And I really don't know what's happening with the wind. I can feel some wind up inside my helmet, so who knows if this little experiment's going to work. Guess we're going to find out pretty quick though here. If you didn't know, I live in California, and they just made lane splitting legal in California. So if you see me doing a little bit of that and wondering about it, that's why. I'd say that's one thing I like about California legislation. They gave that one to us motorcyclists. So while we're on the topic of brake pads, maybe if some of you guys watching this video have some favorite brake pads, you could leave me a comment down below and tell me what you like and you know, and brake pads and what you like about them. I've got a set of the Brembo 432 calipers. There's 432 millimeter pistons in these ones, so they take a little bit bigger brake pad than the new M50 calipers that they have on the RSV4 and the new 2017 Tuono. If you see this guy up here in the Jeep, you notice how he got over to the left for me. Drivers in California overall are pretty cool, I must say, when they see a motorcycle. This person's getting over for me too. Don't get me wrong, I've had some dicks out there try and kind of run me off the road before too, so I've seen it all. But since this law got passed, it feels like drivers are a little bit more accommodating to us guys on bikes, guys and gals, I should say. You know, the other crappy part about all this commute type driving is it just wears down my fucking tires. I love the Pirelli Supercourses. They're just absolutely amazing when you've got to, you get the speed gets up and the lean angle gets a little, you know, a little higher, and you're just kind of working it in the twisties. They're amazing tires, but if you're commuting on these bad boys, you'll wear the center out on them quicker than shit, so you get kind of costly. In fact, I think I'm getting somewhere around 2,500-ish miles per set, so they really don't last very long. And at 10,000 miles on the bike, that gets to be an expensive tire to support. That's another question. So what are your favorite tires out there? I just saw a new, God, I don't know if it's a Bridgestone or a Michelin. It's called the Power RS. And I think it's kind of their answer to the Pirelli Supercorsa. It's got a dual compound, so it's got a softer compound in the sidewall or on the sides, and a harder compound in the middle. And, well, I just love the Pirellis, like I say, man, going through them like they're butter. So, I don't know, I was thinking about trying out that Power RS tire. Any of you guys try it out and have any thoughts on it, let me know. Another cool car driver. Big beast behind me. are at the shop. There's my man Will, ready for the bike. There you go. All right, we're locked in. How you doing, man?
Now I want a goddamn V4.
You got enough bikes, man, and no time to work on them.
I heard this, I was like, damn it.
Yeah, I gave it a little extra rev around that corner so you know it was coming.
Yeah, when I heard you, I went and got the pads, got to put the lift down.
Right on. All right. Here are the pads we're doing today. We got the DP Sport HHs going in. My good man Will there recommended these bad boys.
No.
Looking forward to seeing these things in action. Well, all right, everybody. There's the beast in all its glory. Brand new DP brakes, sintered brake pads installed front and rear, and we're getting ready to leave. Thanks to my good buddy Will over here for hooking me up on this Friday afternoon. Will, can't see him now. Will works mostly on Ducati bikes, but we won't hold that against him. He's a good guy, and he took care of us. And let's go see how these bad boys work. Here we go. Me likey already. That's never felt like that before. I haven't even bedded in yet. So I don't know what other people do for bedding in their brakes, but typically what I like to do is get onto a nice open piece of road with no traffic around, take the bike up and get some speed on it, and then jam on the brakes a couple times and get them hot. Seems to work pretty well to get them the initial bedding in done. Will warned me not to get too crazy right away until they get bedded in, because they you know, right out of the box they want to be bedded into the rotors, and they need a little bit of heat. These are street/track pads. They don't need a lot of heat, but they need to be just a little bit of heat to work. So you don't want to get going really fast on a really cold set of brakes and expect them to stop you short, because they're just not going to do that. But like I said, they are meant for both street and track. Here we go. there. Can't split lanes when the cars are parked too damn close together. Friday afternoon traffic, what are you gonna do? Take it to this little road over here I like to check out sometimes, and I can probably do a little bit of bedding in I guess I should say, of the brake pads over here. Crappy road. Watch out for those crappy roads. A little bedding in action here. Oh yeah, these brake pads are gonna rock. DP brakes, baby. I'm digging them. Thanks, Will. Good suggestion, brother. Yeah, I love the feeling of these things, and they're only going to get better as I keep bedding them in and warming them up. Alright everybody, well that's going to conclude the video for today. I hope you dug this little tour to get my new DP brake pads installed. I'll report back on what I think about these things. I got a track day coming up at Laguna Seca on May 28th, so I'm glad I got the new brakes here. And I'll let you know what I think about these things as I use them a little bit more. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys like me adding a little narration in. And if you do like it, please hit like. And if you want to see some more videos, throw me a subscribe. You guys have a good day out there. And this is Speed Jones, and I'm out. Take it easy, y'all. Bye.